Real talk though, what we need to do is put like some more motherfucking speakers off in here. You know what I'm saying? Run a couple down this motherfucking side rack. Maybe throw one or two of them bitches back there. And we'll be really rocking. You feel me? Oh yeah, look out for them 3 Kicker 12s coming soon too. Them shit's finna be whamming. I ain't even playing with them. Feel me? But let's get back to what we came for.
Iceberg laid back, burning in that beam. Riding high while them snitches wanna turn me in. See, I grew up round moose, I bring the furnace in. Tell them niggas I'm at Northern, come and try to burn me in. Little niggas be jealous because I'm earning in. Doing shows, getting hoes, fuck you niggas, burn the bridge. I ain't gotta speak, I ain't even gotta look. To me, you just another fucker coming from a comic book. Such a little Alice nigga, you can get your mama to.
Those clothes, still hear the vocals clearly. Somewhat. Shit ain't loud as it need to be, but we gonna get there. Don't even worry about that. Just doing a little closed door check.
The bitches wanna ride cause I'm about to get show money just like the nigga. Nah, I ain't signed to slip and slide. I'm with the GR and the crackers wanna vibe. Miami taking over, tell Ozone to quote that. I'm about to make trick money and Trick Daddy know that. He know that. His face won't allow me to blow that. I think he kinda mad cause I'm asking what a dope at. I can't help it, hustling in my veins, pimp. I wanna vanquish the mag really ain't shit. I got a red ass team that I hang with, and the gang that I bang with. I'm the young boss, I shall remain nameless. To the bitches that wanna name me, and if it ain't deuces, then it ain't feet, and if it ain't